Well, good morning, PSC 2020, and welcome to week 5. So, this week we're going to focus on political groups, politics, and elections. So, this obviously is going to build upon last week's work for helping us understand the ways that political socialization kind of forms our individual political attitudes based upon the relationships with others and how people express those identities as part of their political culture. For example, right, we want to understand to which the way that a individual, right, works to exercise their civil liberties within the political sphere. Are they staunch free speech advocates? Are they pro capital punishment, et cetera, et cetera? And so, what we're trying to do as political scientists is explain how people behave as an individual, their personal beliefs on that civil liberty, and the way that they will behave in a group of either like minded or of diverse opinions on X civil liberty. And in doing so, we want to understand what are the difficulties that these groups may encounter in the form of these kind of collective dilemmas or collective action problems that they engage in their political activities. And this is where we get that idea of the prisoner's dilemma that you're going to read about this week. And so in essence, right, we're trying to understand then, we as political actors, right, especially when we're in part of a group, tend to act in a way that is different. So we need to then understand what are those external factors like political interest groups or political parties that can influence the group behavior. So we will then be able to understand the actions we take in, say, elections, or the actions we take in the way we hold our elected officials accountable. So, paying close attention to the definition of these groups, these politics, these individuals is really essential for us to better understand what it is we're trying to do as political scientists in studying the political landscape. So you've got chapters 6 and 8 this week, and for your assignments, discussion 5, discussion 6, but most importantly, keep working on that exam study guide because exam 1 is right around the corner next week. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.